Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. If you've been using Instagram and suddenly noticed that filters are no longer showing up in your stories or reels, you're not alone. This is a common issue, but thankfully, it's often easy to fix. In this video, we'll walk you through several effective methods to help you bring back those missing Instagram filters. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone device, let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, make sure you're connected to a stable internet network. Instagram filters require real-time downloading when you open the camera. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Try restarting your router if you're on Wi-Fi. Open other apps to test your connection. If your connection is unstable, filters may fail to load. Step 2. Update the Instagram app. Outdated apps can often cause features to glitch or disappear. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it. Once updated, restart the app and check the filters again. Step 3. Clear cache Android only. If you're on Android, clearing Instagram's cache can help fix loading issues. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap Apps or App Management. Find Instagram and tap it. Tap Storage, then select Clear Cache. Afterward, open Instagram and see if the filters return. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply signing out of your account and back in can refresh app features. Open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, then Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Log Out. Re-enter your login details and check your filters. Step 5. Reinstall the Instagram app. If nothing else works, try deleting and reinstalling the app completely. Long press the Instagram icon on your home screen. Tap Uninstall or Remove app. Reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This resets your app to the latest version and often fixes missing feature issues like filters. Step 6. Check device compatibility and permissions. Some filters may not be available on older devices or in restricted regions. Make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Long press the Instagram icon on your home screen. Tap on Info app and select Permission. Ensure camera, microphone, and storage are enabled. Also, some filters might be unavailable due to region-based restrictions or because of AR capabilities not supported on older devices. And that's it. With these steps, you should now be able to bring back the missing filters on Instagram. Whether it's a network glitch, outdated app, or device issue, we hope one of these methods helped you out. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.